Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mrs. N. Hill, Tiny Tots, Eastville Secondary School, Nongthamai Shillong. Clara K. Yeke Parents Day, haka program ka bekerpang. Kablalong, haka kunai trik unai lar arajar arpusan. Hilarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture, kabadan hamodiang diang Shillong. Haka nigasngi, ki Khynnah Skul ki blalea buram, yalagi jong ki kimi kikpa, dag Pynïap kisap Ïalehkai, kisap rawai, kisap shot. Belai shimbenta, nado ki Khynnah ki bedang don, haka pre-nursery, hado ki Khynnah ki bela pulih, ya ke kelas 10. Kani gajing rakhi ke Parents Day, kelapin ki menru hado kata-kata, ya ki kimi kikpa, ban yoi, ya lagi jong ki kuhun ki kiti, ki Pynïap ya lagi sab, kalau rensan, lega jing shlur, lembaga jing tray shitom, jugane kai, jong kani ke Skul.
Nang dupon Odom Utaw biar ya sumpne Kumpans ngat siya bandeng Just ngiru kim laweng Kitlothan Henry rilom wan duka Yagidang
at some point in life and become parents ourselves. In fact, seeing the little ones and young students here in our midst, it brings back good memories when I was a student myself. I remember those days, the joy and laughter I used to share with my friends, the bustling and hustling classrooms when the teachers were not around, the classwork and homeworks, and most important, a special bond that we all shared with our dear teachers. I remember when I used to talk with my parents about my school, my friends, and other random things. In many different ways, parents have been our constant support and shadow ever since our birth. Their devotion to us never becomes smaller, even if we become adults. This event is meant to acknowledge the value of each and every parent. In other words, it portrays that parents are an important part of the school. This day is dedicated to celebrating and appreciating a vital role parents have towards their children's education. I want to appreciate all the sacrifices the parents made to ensure their children's happiness.
अरे ओ कालिया,
जी सरदार।
यहाँ पे कितने बच्चे हैं?
49 सरदार।
और तुम?
मैं एक अकेले हूँ सरदार।
और तुम एक बच्चे नहीं हो?
आज ही मैं तो भूल गया।
और तुम जे और वीरू?
जी सरदार।
इंग्लिश में कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं?
6 mark flyweight।
You 6 and the rest 2-3। बहुत नाइंसाफी है। अरे ओ बसंती,
जी सरदार।
इंग्लिश में कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं?
50 mark गबर बाबा।
50 मार्क्स शो? अरे ओ सांबा, इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी फनी लैंग्वेज सांबा।
जी सरदार।
ना पाइन है ना एप्पल है, फिर भी पाइनएप्पल है। यू नो पाइनएप्पल इज माय फेवरेट फ्रूट। खामोश! इतने सिखाने के बाद भी बस सिर्फ इतना। ये सब बच्चे गबर सिंह के नाम अपने पापा का नाम मिट्टी में मिला दिए। और 49 बच्चे में सिर्फ बसंती को मिला 50। इसकी सजा मिलेगी, बराबर मिलेगी। जो फेल हो गया वो हेरो के पास जाओ।
सर वो लोग पहले से ही अटेंशन में हैं।
रात को
connected.
ये मत समझो हमको कुछ खबर नहीं हमारे जासूस चारों तरफ फैले हैं सब बच्चे हाथ आगे करो मैं जैसा बोलता हूँ वैसे बोलो हम आज से वादे करते हैं अभी से जी लगा के पढ़ेंगे
Look, is this going to take much longer, Doctor? Because I've got to catch a plane at 3. I'm competing in the biannual amateur salsa and ballroom dancing competition in Paris.
Are you getting on a plane, Mrs. Wormwood?
Oh, of course I am. I always compete, Doctor. And this time, I have a secret weapon. Rodolfo. He's part Italian, you know. Very supple. And he has incredibly upper body strength.
I think we should have a talk.
So, what is it? What's wrong with me?
Mrs. Wormwood, you really have no idea.
Wind.
Mrs. Wormwood, I want you to think very carefully. What do you think might be the cause of this?
Am I? Look at my fat.
Mrs. Wormwood, you're pregnant.
What?
You're going to have a baby.
Oh, but I've got a baby. I don't want another one. Isn't there something you can do?
You're already 9 months pregnant.
Antibiotics or... Oh my good lord. What about the biannual amateur salsa and ballroom dancing competition?
A baby, Mrs. Wormwood. A child. The most precious gift that the natural world can bestow upon us has been handed to you. A brand new human being, alive. A wonderful new person is about to come to your life to bring you love and magic and happiness and wonder.
Oh, bloody hell.
Where is he? Where's my son?
Mr. Wormwood, are you smoking a cigarette?
What? Oh, wait, of course, doctor, wait. What am I thinking? This calls for a proper smoke. Now, come on. You're an ugly little thing.
This is one of the most beautiful child I've ever seen.
Wait a minute. Where's his thingy?
His what?
You know his thingy is what I'm jam-clad? His doodah. What have you done with his thingy?
This child doesn't have a thingy because...
What? Doctor, are you serious? A boy with no... Look what you've done, you stupid woman. This boy's got no thingy.
Mr. Wormwood, this child is a girl. A beautiful, beautiful little girl.
What?
Is there still time for the biannual amateur salsa and ballroom dancing?
Competition's finished. You've missed it. Come on, doctor. I don't suppose we could... Come on, exchange it for a boy, could we, huh?
No, Mr. Wormwood, no.
Bloody hell. $9.99. For what? A bar of soap.
I had to take a shower.
What is this, $5,000? I'm not paying that.
Whatever.
Everyone is born, but not everyone is born the same. Some will grow to be butchers, or bakers, or candlestick makers. Some will only be good at making jello salad. One way or another, though, every human being is unique, for better or for worse. Most parents believe their children are the most beautiful creatures ever to grace the planet. Others take a less emotional approach.
Where are the children's books, please?
In that room, would you like me to pick out one?
No, thank you. I can manage.
You know, you can have your own library card and take books home. You can take as many as you like.
That would be wonderful.
What happened
Where did all this come from?
The library.
What library? You're 4.
I'm 6.
Then you'd be in school.
I was supposed to start school in September. You wouldn't listen.
What? Come here. How old is Matilda?
4.
I'm 6. I was 6 in August.
Okay, 5 then.
You're a liar.
I want to go to school.
Who signed for the packages? We can't leave all this valuable stuff on the doorstep, can we? Go watch TV.
Hey, dip face. Have a marshmallow, dip face.
You know, sometimes I feel there's something wrong with that girl.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
When I grow up, I will be tall enough to reach the branches that I need to reach to climb the trees you get to climb when you're grown up. And when I grow up, I will be smart enough to answer all the questions that you need to know the answers to before you're grown up. And when I grow up, I will eat sweets every day on the way to work.
And I will go to bed late every night. And I will wake up when the sun comes up, and I will watch cartoons until my eyes go square. And I won't care, 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow up. When I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up, I will be strong enough
You never take us out.
What do you mean? I took you to the flipper. There was a comb in the soup.
Oh yeah, I like that joint.
Mr. Wormwood's indifference to Matilda's plight was stark. Since he never bothered to understand her, he just soon locked her away and punished her without a second thought. And it was from such treatment that Matilda learned a harsh lesson, that some people punish a person, not just the bad behavior.
Harry, take off your hat.
I can't get it off.
You can't wear a hat inside.
I can't get it off.
Nobody cares about your hair, Harry.
I can't get it off.
I'm gonna get this hat off. I think your head swelled up.
No, you're pulling the skin.
You're such a baby.
The fibers fused to my hair.
Okay, now what's that supposed to mean?
I will not be a figure of ridicule. Come on, I want respect.
I still don't see how you glued your hat on, Harry.
I did not glue my hat on my head. The fibers fused.
Baby, wait a minute. I'm getting it now.
No.
Oh my God.
My hair.
I need a car. Can you service me?
Yes. Welcome to Wormwood Motors. Harry Wormwood, owner and founder.
Augustine Trunchbull, the principal. I need a tight car because I run a tight ship. My school is motto of discipline. Use the rod, beat the child. Do you have brats?
A boy, Mikey. And this one mistake.
They're all mistakes, children. I'm glad I never was one.
Okay. I'm gonna make you a great deal. Yeah.
Well, you had better.
Thank you. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Hey you. You're going to school.
I am?
And you'll get education at this real place.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm going to school. Yay! I'm going to school.
And so you think you're able to survive this mess by being a prince or a princess. You will soon see there's no escaping tragedy.
And even if you put in heaps of effort, you're just wasting energy. 'Cause your life as you know it is ancient history. I have suffered in this jail. I've been trapped inside this cage for ages, this living hell. But if I try, I can remember. But before my life has ended, before my happy days were over, before I heard the pealing of the bell. Like you, I was curious, so innocent I asked 1,000 questions. But unless you want to suffer, listen up and I will teach you a thing or two. You listen here, my dear, you'll be punished so severely if you step out of line. And if you cry, it will be double. You just stay out of trouble and remember to be extremely careful. Why? Just you wait for phase end. And so you think you're able to survive this mess by being a prince or a princess. You will soon see there's no escaping tragedy. And even if you put in heaps of effort, you're just wasting energy, 'cause your life as you know it is ancient history. I have suffered in this jail, I've been trapped inside this cage for ages, this living hell. But if I try I can remember, but before my life has ended, before my happy days were over, before I heard the pealing of the bell. Like you I was curious, so innocent I asked 1,000 questions. But unless you want to suffer, listen up and I will teach you a thing or two. You listen here, my dear, you'll be punished so severely if you step out of line, and if you cry it will be double. You should stay out of trouble and remember to be extremely careful.
You're too small. Grab, quicker. Show this back. Of late has started reeking. Quiet, maggot, when I'm speaking. Reeking with the most disturbing scent. Only the finest nostrils smell it, but I know it all too well. It's the odor of rebellion. It's the bouquet of dissent. And you may bet your britches this head, mister, find this fall or the freshness wholly olfactory insulting. And so to stop the stench spread, I find a session office at swords that merely rang from the revolting. Play along, squids.
Nice. Oh my god.
Is that working? Why are you sweating so much? You'll go now or what? Okay.
You're too small again. Grab, quicker.
Sorry. It's better than being out there.
Show this back.
No, that's the principal.
The principal likes to snap a whip, and here to see who's trying to hide.
Lavender.
I'm Hortensia.
Does he really hit children?
No, what he does is worse. Yesterday, in the second grade, he makes a weekly visit to every classroom to show the teachers how to handle kids. Julius ate 2 M&Ms.
And he got him?
Of course.
Was Julius okay?
He lived, if that's what you mean.
He used to be in the Olympics. Shot put, javelin, hammer throw. So he does this all the time?
It's mostly for scare. It's better than being in the chokey.
Chokey?
It's a tall hole in the wall, a trippy pipe with jagged edges. The walls have nails sticking out. I've been in there twice.
Didn't you tell your parents?
Well, would your parents believe it?
Oh no, here he comes!
Who's that? Ah, fresh meat. Move. Amanda Tripp.
Yes, Mr. Trunchbull.
What are those hanging down by your ears?
You mean my pigtails?
Are you a pig?
No, Mr. Trunchbull.
You allow pigs in my school.
But my mommy says it's cute.
Well, your mother's a twit. Chop them off by tomorrow. Or...
But...
But? Did you say but?
Hammer throw.
Definitely.
Well, I'll show you but.
Good loft! Excellent release!
Someone better check on her.
Pass, pass.
I scooped these up for you, Miss Honey.
How lovely. Thank you, Amanda. We have a new student with us today. This is I'd like you to sit with Lavender. You all know how scary the first day of school is. So, be nice to Matilda. Could you... You've come on a very great day. Going to revise what we have learned. If you know an answer, just raise up your hand. Who would like to demonstrate? Let's do some together. 2 4s are?
8.
2 6 are? 2 9s are?
18.
Excellent. Soon you'll be able to do them all. Whether it's 2 times 7?
14.
Or 13 into 3, 7, 9.
4,927.
I beg your pardon?
I think that's the answer.
It is.
Wow.
You can multiply large numbers?
I read a book on mathematics.
You like to read?
Yes, I love to read.
What do you like to read?
I've been reading Charles Dickens. I could read him every day.
So could I. Okay, class, take out your workbooks and start with section 3. I'll be back in a moment.
It's a school one now. She'll go to talk to.
Come in, whoever you are.
almost got you, Jen. Good to see you. Time for one of our little hearts to hearts.
It's about the new girl in my class, Matilda Wormwood.
Her father says she's a real what? A carbuncle. A blister, a pustule of malignant ooze.
No, Matilda is sweet and very bright.
A bright child.
She can multiply large sums.
So can a calculator.
I guess she might be happier in an older and more advanced class.
You can't handle the little viper, can you? So try and get rid of her.
No.
Slothful. Cowardice. The shot put depends on your effort. How far it goes. It truly depends on your effort. If you can't handle the little viper, I'm going to lock her in the chalky. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Everything I do is for your own good, Jenny. Everything I do is for your own good. And the good of those bastards and little children. Ah! Disgusting children.
Mom, I'm home. I get to do sixth grade work.
Hold on a minute. Can't you see I'm on the phone?
You just asked me how school was.
The baby wasn't his?
Well, it was really great.
No way. They have to be implants.
The principal's insane. She threw a girl over the fence.
You should wax yours too.
I have the best teacher.
I'm telling you, 6 hours at school, it's not enough.
I'll say.
See, a whack to the belly. Yeah, a smack to the face. Burns his hurt. Damn it, saved by the bell.
Come here.
Packages this hour.
Hello.
You don't give money for charity.
I'm Jennifer Honey. I'm Matilda's teacher.
What she's done. You go to your room now. She's your problem now.
Oh, there's no problem.
Then beat it, we're watching TV.
If a TV show is more important than Matilda, then you shouldn't be a parent. Now turn it off and listen to me.
Yeah, come in. Get this over with. Mrs. Wormwood won't like it.
Who is it?
Just some teacher.
What did you do that for?
What do you want?
Matilda is a bright child.
Yeah, right. Get me a drink.
Her math skills are extraordinary.
Want one?
No, thank you. She's actually reading material that I didn't see until college.
What do you mean, college?
With private instructions, she'd be ready for college in a few years.
Listen here, Miss Snit. A girl does not get anywhere by acting intelligence, you know. I mean, like, take a look at you and me. You chose books. I chose looks. I have a nice house, a wonderful husband. And you just teach children their ABCs. You want Matilda to go to college?
Look, I didn't go to college. I don't know anyone who did. They're just a bunch of hippies and salesforce salesmen.
Don't sneer at educated people. If you became ill, your doctor would have been a college graduate. If you were sued, your lawyer would have gone to college too.
Sued by who? Who have you been talking to, woman?
Nobody.
I can see we're not going to agree. Are we? I'm sorry I burst in on you like this.
We ought to sue her for interrupting our show.
Why is he standing in the middle?
because it's over.
Then, who won?
I don't know. You shut it off.
What? From now on, this family does exactly what I want. Now, we're gonna eat dinner and watch TV.
Hi, Dad.
Are you in this family?
Mm-hmm.
Hello? Are you in this family? And what is this trash you're reading now?
It's lovely. It's Moby Dick by Herman Melville.
Moby what? This is trash.
It's a library book.
I'm fed up with all this reading. You're a wormwood. Come on, act like one. Sit up, watch the TV. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Look at that. Yeah. Go on, look at it.
Okay. Get real sticky, you get passion free. All right, that's enough. Let's get
Yeah, come on, sit up straight. Go on, look at it. Yeah. You're gonna miss the best part. Come on.
I didn't do it.
Of course not, you little twit.
I told you it was a cheap set.
It's not cheap. It's stolen.
What's up? Beats me. Beats me.
Bruce Boktrata. Would little Brucey come up here? This boy, Bruce Boktrata, is a vicious...
What are you talking about?
chocolate cake. You snuck into the kitchen and ate my snack. Don't you deny it? Confess.
Well, I can't remember a specific cake.
Ah, liar. This one was mine. It was the most scrumptious cake in the world.
My mom's is better.
What? Then you must have some more then. Sit, Bok. Oh. Smells chocolatey, doesn't this? Smell it? Isn't it not tempting? Now eat it.
I don't want any, thank you.
Ah, I said eat it!
She wouldn't give him cake. It's poison.
Wow, nom it. Wow, you look like you enjoyed that, didn't you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then you must have some more then.
No thanks.
But you'll hurt the cook's feeling. She made this cake just for you. Her blood and sweat went into this cake. Cookie! Here she comes. Now you really have a huge cake now. You will not leave this platform until you've eaten the whole cake!
The whole confection. See you at lunch.
Now eat it, Bruce.
Mommy, thank you.
I said, eat it!
Don't eat it.
Look how greedy he is. Give up?
Bruce doesn't look too good.
Poor Brucey's gonna puke. I can't look. Is he gonna puke?
Without a doubt.
Bruce looks real bad.
Are you really giving it up now?
You can do it, Brucey!
Yeah, you can do it!
Go, Bruce! 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 Bruce!
Silence!
Bruce! Bruce! Bruce!
I said
Bruce!
silence! Children, the entire assembly will stay 8 hours after school. Anyone who objects it will go straight into Chucky. Come here, Bruce. Go that's the official way of saying we've got a bad one. Now to the Chucky, will you? Or your father. Wormwood, sell me a lemon. You and your father think you can make a cheat out of me?
I'm nothing like my father.
You're a spitting image of him. The apple never was far from the tree. Will does.
Miss Honey.
Trunchbull is teaching our class today. Make sure the water is cold. Cover the fish. Put away all the art projects. Last time, you forgot yourself. Don't speak unless you're spoken to. Don't breathe and don't laugh.
Don't breathe at all. Shoo. Sometimes in life, horrible, unexplainable things happen. These things are a test of character. And I have character, don't I? You. A perfect school is one in which there are no children at all. Don't you agree, Miss Honey?
Mm-hmm. Are you okay?
Yes.
Come here. Sit. You. Stand up. Can you spell?
We can spell difficulty.
You can't spell difficulty.
She taught us with a poem.
How sweet. What poem is that?
Mrs. D, Mrs. I, Mrs. F, F, I, Mrs. C, Mrs. U, Mrs. L, T, Y.
Why are these women married? You're supposed to teach spelling, not poetry. Why do children take so long to grow up? They do it deliberately, just to annoy me. What's funny? Spit it out. I like a joke as well as the next fat person. It's a snake! One of you tried to poison me. Who? You.
I thought you'd like to know it's a newt, not a snake.
What did you say?
It's a newt, Mr. Trunchbull.
You tried to pay me back, wouldn't you?
For what, Mr. Trunchbull?
For this nude you swim.
I'm telling you I didn't do it.
Anyways, even if you didn't do it, I'm big and you're small. I'm right and you're wrong. There's nothing you can do about it. In this classroom, in this school, I am. Oh! You did this again, didn't you?
How could she possibly do it? She was sitting way over here.
I'll be watching you. Every single one of you. When you turn to the corner, when you get your smelly coats, when you skip merrily to lunch, I'll be watching you. Every single one of you. And especially you. Disgusting children, really.
Thanks for not telling. Best friends don't tell. He can really dance. Miss Honey.
Yes, Matilda?
I did it.
Did what?
I made the glass tip over.
Oh, Matilda, don't make him make you feel that way.
I did it with my eyes. Watch. Come on.
It's okay, Matilda.
I really did do it, Miss Honey.
Well, sometimes you can do things, but when you want to show someone, then you can't.
I don't know. Maybe I just made myself tired.
Would you like to go to my house?
That would be lovely.
This roof keeps me dry when the rain falls. This door helps to keep cold at bay. On this floor I can stand on my own 2 feet. On this chair I can write my lessons. On this pillow I can dream my nights away. And this table, as you can see, well, it's perfect for tea. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. It isn't much, but it is enough. On these walls I hang wonderful pictures. Through this window I can watch the seasons change. By this lamp I can read, and I am set free. And when it's cold outside, I feel no fear. Even in the winter storms, I am warmed by a small but stubborn fire. And there is nowhere I would this is my house. This is my house. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. For this is my house. This is my house. It isn't much, but it is enough. And when it's cold and bleak, I feel no fear. Even in the fiercest storms, I am warm by a small but stubborn fire. Even when outside it's freezing, I don't pay much heed. I know that everything I need is in here. It isn't much, but it is enough for me. It isn't much, but it is enough for me.
The $1 Million Sticky. Do you like that show?
I love that show.
Now he has money and all banks over. But does he give me a dime? Matilda, this is Bob and Bill. They're cops. They are not cops. They are Ace Powerboat salesmen.
Babyface, I'm starved.
Hi, Harry.
What is this? A hot dog party?
They're cops, Dad.
You're entertaining surfers?
Are you interested in timeshare?
What? Get out!
You never let me talk to other people. I have to talk to someone besides the kids, Harry.
A man is entitled to come home and find dinner on his table. And you're entertaining surfers?
Dad,
What?
yell at me.
Shut up! Leave us alone.
Yell at me again.
I'll pound your miserable hide. I want respect!
Don't we need a search warrant?
No, this guy's dirty. We'll show this tape in court. That box is full of stolen parts.
How about letting me handle that camera for a while?
Do you know how to use it? Do you know about the zoom? How to adjust the eyepiece?
I can handle it. Besides, it's my turn.
Your turn to drop it.
I won't drop it.
You'll be in a lot of trouble.
It's the female minor.
Shouldn't you be in school?
I hope you have a search warrant. If you don't, you could lose your job or even go to prison.
Your father is going to prison. Do you know where you end up?
In an orphanage. We can make it a nice one. The kind with foods and tiny cockroaches. What do you say?
Your car's about to run a stop sign. Miss Honey, you'll never believe what I got you.
Oh, Matilda.
I also got you this. I ate mine last night.
Out teaching your class.
In time, it took Miss Honey to get very, very nervous, but Matilda had already formulated a plan.
She's really raving mad.
Calm down. It's gonna be okay.
He knows the doll is missing.
It's gonna be okay, I promise.
Well, you promised you wouldn't go back.
I was on the garage roof. I did with my powers.
Okay, let me think. Powers?
I think I got them down. Watch this. No more Miss Nice Girl.
I expect you're wondering what I'm here for. A child came into my house. I don't know when, I don't know why, I don't know how.
May I?
No, it may not. But I know a child came. Did you know it's illegal to enter someone's house without permission?
Yes, Mr. Trunchbull.
Shut your hose. Shoulders back. Let's play a game, shall we? Do any of you recognize this? Who is wearing a pretty red ribbon yesterday and isn't wearing one today? Who does this disgusting ribbon belong to? I shall personally see to it that the owner of this ribbon will never see the light of day ever again.
at your house.
I broke your arm once and I'll do it again.
I'm not 7 years old anymore, Uncle Trunchbull.
Shut up! Ah!
Oh, no, please don't throw him.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Never again will he get the best of me. Never again will he take away my freedom. And we won't forget the day we fought for the right to be a little bit naughty. Never again will the chokey door slam. Never again will I be bullied, and never again will I doubt it when my mommy says I'm a miracle. Never again will we live behind bars. Never again do we know that we are revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting time. And we'll have the Trunchbull voting. We're revolting. We are revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting time. And we'll have the Trunchbull voting. We're revolting. We will become a screaming horde. Take out your hockey sticks and use it as a sword. Never again will we be ignored. We'll find out where the chalk is stored and draw rude pictures on the board. It's not insulting, we're revolting. We are revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting time. It is to LA for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. We are revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting time. And we'll have the Trunchbull voting. We're revolting.
Did you know the heart of a mouse beats 650 times a minute?
Where did you learn that from?
In a book. It beats so fast, it sounds like it's humming.
Leaving, let's go. Let's wrap this up.
I'll be happy to walk her home.
No, we're moving to Guam.
Guam?
Daddy's out of business.
I don't want to.
We're just taking a permanent vacation. Now come on, we gotta hurry to the airport.
I love it here. Please don't let them take me.
Come on, get in the car, Melinda.
Matilda,
Whatever.
I want to stay here.
Why would she want this disobedient kid?
She's lovely and I love her.
Tell me, Miss Honey.
I'll be
I have the adoption papers.
What? Where'd you get those?
From the library. You just have to sign.
Are you hearing this, Harry?
I can't think with all these sirens. What do you think, Pumpkin?
You're the only daughter I've ever had, Matilda, and I never understood you. Who's got a pen?
Here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
And here.
Okay.
Come here.
Thanks.
I hope you won't ask for child support.
No, we have everything we need.
Then we're out of here.
Shell?
Still holding my hand.
Should I go to the front?
Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad. Thank you for the love you give every single day. Happy, happy Parents' Day. Happy, happy Parents' Day. We love you in every way. Happy Parents' Day. You help me learn and help me grow. You help me learn and help me grow. You're the best, I want you to know I love you so much. Happy, happy Parents' Day. Happy, happy Parents' Day. We love you in every way. Happy Parents' Day.